How much do you know about military aircrafts? If you get 5 right out of 5, you are an expert. Question number 1. Which aircraft is known as the Warthog? The A-10. Question number 2. Which aircraft got a simulated kill against an F-22 in a dogfight?
The Dassault Rafale.
Question number 3. Which Swedish jet is known for operating from even roads? The Gripen. Question number 4. Which Soviet jet was known for its dogfighting during the Vietnam War? The MiG-21. Question number 5. What is the name of Europe's next-generation fighter jet program? The FCA's. Don't forget to follow if you want to improve your knowledge.